The Type 95 automatic rifle is one of the standard rifles in active service in China, with over 3 million units produced in more than 20 years of service. Every Chinese citizen may have the opportunity to use it to reclaim territory and defend the nation. Therefore, it is beneficial to understand its working mechanism. When you pull the trigger, the firing pin is released, striking the primer. The primer contains sensitive explosives and ignition devices like lacquered fire bases. The firing pin strikes the primer, igniting the propellant inside the cartridge. The expanding gases propel the bullet out of the barrel, and before the bullet exits, some of these gases enter the piston, pushing the bolt back. When the bolt reaches the end of its travel, it is pushed forward by the return spring. It chambers a new round from the magazine into the barrel. During this process, the extractor hook on the bolt head catches the groove at the base of the cartridge, so it can eject the spent casing after firing. Once the bolt fully chambers the round, the safety mechanism is disengaged, allowing the hammer to strike and complete the automatic firing cycle. The safety remains engaged until the bolt is fully in place. Premature release of the gas piston can cause a chamber explosion. By rotating the selector switch to the 1 position, you can switch to single-shot mode. The selector switch's groove rotates downward, and the single-shot sear is no longer blocked. At this point, if you press the trigger, the single-shot sear will rise, and it will only drop when you release the trigger. If you keep the trigger pressed, the single-shot sear will stay up, blocking the hammer. Only when you release the trigger and press it again will the hammer be released to fire a bullet. Each press and release of the trigger fires 1 bullet, hence the name single-shot mode. Did you get it? If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and share.